Hello everybody, Happy New Year, Happy 2021. Today I'm very excited to introduce you our new product. It's a crypto exchange. It's different from traditional exchanges. It's not centralized, it's decentralized. So you can transfer funds, you can transfer digital assets from your wallet straightforward, and you don't need to deposit your funds into an account. Okay, let's see how to exchange via this platform. In this tutorial video, and we will exchange EOS based token to Ethereum based token. That means we will sell some EOS based token and then buy some Ethereum based token. First of all, and we need to install a crypto wallet on our desktop, and we recommend Scatter as our crypto wallet because it supports EOS based token very well. Okay, let's see how to use it. And the process is very simple, just like you send order on other traditional exchanges. And you can find a send order panel here. And there are several fields you need to fill in. The base cryptocurrency field stands for the token you want to buy. And the term cryptocurrency field stands for the token you want to sell. Because as I said just now, and we will sell EOS based token and then buy Ethereum based token. So we will use winners as our token we want to buy, and jungle as our token we want to sell. Both of the tokens are just run on testnet. So in this tutorial video, and we will just show you how to exchange on the testnet. We will buy 0.01 winners and sell 0.01 jungle. And after that, and we need to input the mail address to get notified about the results of transaction. We need to use this one. And the send to field stands for the recipient's address. Because we will buy a token based on Ethereum, so we need to input our Ethereum account's address here. So this account will receive token. And after that, we need to input our exchange fee. And in this tutorial video, and we will use 0.02 EOS, 0.02 EOS as our exchange fee. And we will explain why we choose 0.02, not 0.03 or 0.01. So we will explain that later in our next tutorial videos or some posts. And after that, and we need to input the expiration time. We will make the order expired in 1 hour. So we just input 1 here. And after that, and we can send new order. The process is very simple. Just click this button and wait. And for a while and a dialog will appear. Just click sign. Okay. So the order was sent to the server. Okay, it's done. Okay, now you can see a new order appeared here. Okay, the status is pending. Because we didn't log in and we just used this platform in the guest mode, that means we don't need to sign up. But we recommend you sign up because in the guest mode, and we cannot track the progress. We cannot track the progress about the order when the order was matched, when the order was filled. So we recommend you sign up. And signing up doesn't require you to deposit. And signing up an account just make you manage your orders simpler. So actually you don't need to sign up. You can use this platform in the guest mode, but we still recommend you to sign up and create an account, and that will make you manage your orders more how can I say, easier. Okay, the process is very simple, right? Now this order's state is open, so we just need to wait for the pending order is filled by another order on the order book. And if after 1 hour this order doesn't match any orders on the order book, and the order will be expired, and the funds just now you transferred to the exchange will be refunded to your EOS account. So the process is very simple. Okay, it's decentralized. Thank you for watching. See you next time.